Does going makeup free help your skin? This is what happens when you stop wearing makeup. And I'm going to talk about today, is it harmful? Should you be concerned? And how should you wear it? What are some of the precautions if you're using it? If you like these videos, things you can do at home, keep your skin healthy, click the like, subscribe, and let me know in the comments. Have you ever seen someone with makeup on and they look much older? Check out the picture of this person. You can see it's kind of caked on, there's more wrinkles. Check this picture out, another one. I see it all the time in my clinic. People come in and they're coming to get procedures, but they still wear makeup and everything to the clinic. I end up removing it, sometimes it's caked on, and when I remove it, there's gorgeous skin beneath it. They come in and I go, oh my gosh, thinking in my mind, you're gonna need IPLs and microneedling, plasma glow, plasma sculpt, all this stuff. And you take the makeup off and beautiful glass glowing skin is beneath it. Sometimes I don't understand. How many of my patients, their goal is to be makeup free? Many come in wanting that, and often their skin is better than they think. Today I'll tell you if makeup is harmful or is it beneficial, because a lot of people say, hey, there's sunscreen in my makeup. It's protecting my skin. If you stop your makeup, how long before you see benefits and you can tell, was it harming your skin or was it helping your skin? If so, why? Why would it be beneficial or harmful? And the top 3 skin treatments you can do to wear no makeup, just wake up. Meaning to not have to wear any makeup ever, because skin is in. Finally, if you must wear makeup, I'll share 3 tips to stay healthy using it, to keep your skin vibrant and glowing despite the makeup. I'll go through a couple of those problems and what you can do. So first of all, does wearing makeup help your skin? Now before I answer this loaded question, because I'm going to get in trouble, I need to preface it with a little love. I do think wearing makeup on special occasions, on a night out, is glamorous, it's rock star, it's sexy, but makeup has some serious issues we do need to talk about. Number 1, bacteria and infection. Makeup can be a veritable breeding ground for bacteria. Makeup no doubt has preservatives in it, but guess what they do? They can cause skin irritation, just like fragrance, preservatives do as well. And then there's those nasty brushes and applicators that people use, and they keep the brushes for months. And those brushes harbor bacteria. This is especially true for areas around the eyes, like mascara, eyeliner, and eyeshadow, and people get eye irritation as well. No makeup means none of those issues. You only get them if you're wearing the makeup, so be mindful. Number 2 is inflammation. Often makeup users double cleanse or use harmful makeup removers to get it off. And when you double cleanse, especially if you use an oil cleanser, then you use a regular cleanser after. Yes, that does clean the skin. Often it's irritated from that amount of cleansing, brushing, and scrubbing. It acts like a physical exfoliant. If you stop your makeup for 6 weeks, it takes that issue out of there, helps your skin get resilient and achieve homeostasis again. Number 3 problem with makeup, pore size. If you're applying makeup on a regular basis and leaving it on your skin for a long time, so the run of a day, chances are great that your skin pores get clogged. It's just inevitable. This doesn't let your skin breathe, in a sense, making it prone to acne, bumps, roughness, and other facial skin problems. You might notice those bumps around your eyes as well. Your skin does need oxygen, it does need to breathe, and we know that because skin that's exposed to pollutants just doesn't look as healthy as skin exposed to pure oxygen. Number 4, dry or oily skin. Dry or oily. It could be one or the other depending on your skin type. Makeup products that don't suit your skin type can make your skin drier and oilier, and people with dry skin may experience extreme dryness if the makeup is not meant for their skin type. Similarly, those with oily skin might get too much oil production and they have oilier skin and then get more acne. Now you couple that with the bacteria and you really have an acne problem on your hands. Number 5, of course, allergies. So reactions to the products or ingredients in the products. While some makeup products, they do look similar in ingredients when you read them, they often vary from brand to brand in slight ways. Products formulated with mild ingredients do not harm your skin. However, products with more harmful chemicals like parabens, like SLES, they can cause allergic reactions. So if you're allergic to certain ingredients, those products can make it even worse. They can make your skin itchy, uncomfortable, and the worst part is you may not be aware of it because it's a low level of irritation. Irritation, inflammation equals, you got it, aging. So how long before you come off of your makeup can you tell if your skin is benefiting from it? So let's say you're on makeup, you stop it, and you want to know, hey, is this helping me? I'm foregoing my makeup for this, for what? Well, it doesn't happen overnight. And like everything in skincare, it's 6 to 8 weeks. Just like when you try a new product, that's how long it takes to know if it works. While a day or a week of no makeup can provide some benefits to the skin, 6 to 8 weeks is what's really necessary for you to see improvements that are lasting. Going without makeup, it does give your skin a chance to breathe, like I said, and get that more oxygen exposure and help that skin barrier called your stratum corneum. Despite the outer layer of skin cells being dead, you might say, well, they're dead anyway. If you're exfoliating correctly, there's only a few layers of dead skin cells because you want to remove some of the dead skin. The layer of living cells is pretty close to the surface of the skin, and that is a living barrier. So going without makeup for a month, on the other hand, it will show that natural skin and that natural homeostasis to give you an idea of the benefits. Skin cells naturally shred about every 1 to 2 months, and then they're replaced on the outer layer. So that also bodes well for that 1 to 2 month period. Once that happens, what most people notice is wonderful. It's a brighter, healthier complexion, as well as fewer clogged pores, the roughness goes away, and blackheads. Blackheads seem to be the one thing, and milia. They seem to go away very nicely when people stop makeup. I'm not bashing makeup, I just want you to know if you're having those problems, that's what I see in terms of the #1 benefit. The longer your skin goes without the makeup, the better it will be able to stabilize also the sebum and oil production, because hydration, that homeostasis of the skin naturally, which is why we don't want to over exfoliate or over cleanse, the body achieves that level on its own after that 1 to 2 months or 6 week timetable. Skipping makeup also allows people to streamline their skincare routine and reduce the more aggressive cleansing techniques that could be stripping that barrier. So this is a great time to try new skincare, to try more actives. If you're on a low dose retinol, maybe step up your retinol. And if you're wanting to try an AHA cream while your skin is bare and achieving homeostasis, if it does so after a week or two, start stepping up the skincare. And that can help further reduce wrinkles, fine lines, and brown spots, because now you're actually achieving a therapeutic dose. #1 skincare to start, of course, is a basic cleanser and an Ultra Moisture. That's your first 2 weeks of this. My Ultra Moisture, of course, has a lot of organic oils in it. It's hydrating, it's replenishing, it's soothing. I built it for people along the coastal regions and those in climates like Arizona that are super dry, because it also doesn't cause acne. It's not acne form. So something like that product, after a couple weeks, you're probably going to achieve that homeostasis. Skin's going to look good, feel supple. That's when you want to introduce your AHA or your hydroquinone or your new retinol that you always wanted to try. For those wanting a real vitamin C, like a 15% like mine and others are, this is the time to start that too, because your serums are always on your first fresh layer of skin. Cleanse, vitamin C, then your active, like your retinol, your AHA, or so on, or your hydroquinone. But this is the time, because a lot of people can't tolerate the 15% vitamin C. I like that percentage. They're on 5 or 10, or they're on an esterified form of C. So if you want to try a real fresh vitamin C, that also won't interact with your other problems, and it goes on fresh layered skin. So that's another thing you can try. Now, let's say you can't imagine 1 day without makeup. I know people like that, for sure. If you're used to rocking that full-on dramatic makeup look every single day, it can be hard to stop cold turkey. Rather than doing that complete 180, start by swapping out the heavier formulas of makeup. So the full coverage foundations, go for lighter versions such as tinted moisturizers, tinted sunscreens. SPFs are a great way. You can get a mineral tinted sunscreen, and then you often don't have to put or cake on that makeup. You can also try cutting out 1 or 2 makeup products per day until you're completely barefaced. Now, a lot of people say, well, I got brown spots, I got pores, they just don't go away after that. What are my top 3 treatments to help smooth the skin, create glass skin that are one step up from products? Number 1 would be a chemical peel. Number 2, fractionated RF radio frequency like Biora's VFR. I don't want to do deep microneedling, but more fractionated surface RF with some deep heating like that device does. And number 3, an IPL, intense pulse light, or microneedling with platelet-rich fiber. And that number 3 and 4, so I kind of cheated. But IPL is non-laser, it's broad-based light, helps with browns, helps tighten the skin just a little bit, not much, but also helps with reds. Because reds, rosacea, so common, it's one of the reasons why people wear makeup, especially if you go out for wine. If you go out with your friends, you have wine, sometimes you turn red. And so IPL will help with reds. Now, if you absolutely must wear makeup and you don't want to do those treatments, number 1, clean your brushes. Once you're done with your makeup, do not forget to clean the brushes and sponges. Wash these at least once a week. It comes pretty quick, but once a week is important. This is important because the harmful bacteria from the dead skin cells and the sweat, they thrive in makeup brushes. Very classic problem. Number 2, remove makeup before bed. I don't think I need to tell you that, but it's mandatory to remove makeup before you go to bed. And you might need that 2-step double cleansing process. I have a whole video on double cleansing. Just don't overdo it, but watch my video on that. Number 3, never share your makeup. Might make sense, but a lot of people go away together, take trips, they're sharing their makeup, they're sharing their brushes. It's a great way for bacteria to travel between people. You don't want to do that. Are you wearing makeup? Do you think it's helping you, harming you? There's some tips. If it was helpful, let me know in the comments below. Also make comments because it helps us share your best practices with our community. It's all about you, our community. Stay tuned, keep your skin and body beautiful, healthy, and vibrant.